Hey everyone, it's Chris Bennett, your blockchain beard guy. Look, I wanted to talk about something that's been in the news quite a bit lately. You probably read about this or heard about this. It's being dubbed the Great Resignation. The number of people just up and leaving their jobs is significantly grown this year. At the end of August, Microsoft released a survey. You can see the results here on my screen. 41% of workers, shockingly close to half, were considering quitting their jobs or changing professions this year. And admittedly, this has been focused highly in retail, excuse me. In April, almost 650,000 people left retail jobs. You can see it's not just limited to that. I'll include a link to this article in the description if you want to read this interview yourself. But even Wall Street investment banks are going as far as to try and sweeten the deal, giving people Apple products, Peloton exercise bikes, and more. And I just wanted to share a few thoughts about this. Number one, if you're an employer and you've got good, solid technical resources on staff, I can tell you from personal experience and from years working with other like-minded folks that to people who really enjoy technology, one of the greatest perks or benefits of a job is just having access to technology. It's not necessarily having the biggest paycheck or best title or fanciest office, but really just getting to work with some of the latest and greatest technology and have access to good hardware and things like that. Um, and one technology that has really got folks excited right now is blockchain. So just food for thought. If you're an employer and you're looking to really retain that good technical staff that you've invested so much in, consider letting them explore the blockchain/emerging tech waters. That may be a lot more effective than maybe some of the other methods that you're using to entice other folks in the organization. And secondly, if you're part of this 41% that is maybe looking for a new change or new direction, I just want to show you how incredibly hot the blockchain job market is right now. So I've just gone on LinkedIn and I've done a search here for blockchain in the job section. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to filter this down to the past 24 hours. So in the past 24 hours alone, there have been 253 new postings in the United States. That is a tremendous amount. Let's just take a look at what some of these jobs are. And you may be thinking, these are probably all developer or highly technical jobs. And a number of them are, but there are quite a few non-technical roles as well. So if we dive into experience level, maybe you're more of a senior level person. Well, we filtered just down by director and executive level positions. Again, 31 in just the past 24 hours. And you'll see a lot of these are product director or product manager jobs. Or roles that really involve applying blockchain or decentralized technologies into your marketplace or into your business network. So obviously that's going to involve a lot of the higher level skills like use case analyzation, scorecarding, really being able to articulate the benefits of blockchain or decentralized architectures versus their more conventional approaches. And also really being able to speak to how a centralized and decentralized approach might be utilized together. So again, you can see a lot of product owner, product manager, director, vice president, really types of roles where someone is really coming in and setting the direction for how this technology will be used and how it's going to benefit your customer or client base. If we move into kind of the mid-level roles, the associate, mid-senior level roles, almost 150, 141. Again, this is just in the past 24 hours. One thing you can start to see if you do these kind of searches is what organizations are hiring. So, for example, here in this mid-career role, we see there's a lot of Coinbase roles open. So, maybe if you're not even someone technical, maybe if you're in human resources, but you're really interested in working in or around blockchain or getting involved in the blockchain market, this could be a great way to be proactive. Reach out to someone like Coinbase and say, hey, I haven't seen an ad for this job, but thought I'd send you my resume anyway. This is who I am. This is what I'm about. This is why I really want to work in or around blockchain. A lot of these positions you'll find are open. They're just kind of what I call shadow positions. Maybe the hiring manager, because blockchain is so new, just hasn't really figured out how to write that job description or what good interview questions are yet. But just because you don't see that job publicly and openly advertised doesn't mean that that need doesn't exist. So you can really benefit a lot of times by being proactive and reaching out. And then if we kind of go into the entry level, 56 results again, just in the last 24 hours. Again, you'll see Coinbase doing a tremendous amount of hiring here, product managers, program managers. So again, if you were thinking that everything in blockchain was just going to be developer or solutions architect, you can see it's not really that way. Here's one around international marketing and sales enablement. So if you're in business development or sales, plenty of roles. Maybe if you're in customer service or customer success, as they're calling it here, it's more than just developers. So I guess the point that I'm trying to make is, regardless of who you are, if you're one of these 41% that are maybe considering checking out what else the market has to offer, starting a new chapter, working with something where there's a tremendous amount of growth potential. Of course, I'm obviously biased towards blockchain, but I would really encourage you to look around. And of course, shameless plug, if you're looking for good blockchain education, check us out at Blockchain Training Alliance. We've got courses, whether you're technical or non-technical, junior or senior or executive. If you're ready to dive into this exciting new world, we've got something for you. But anyway, that's enough of my shameless plug. Hope you guys are doing good. Take care. Until next time, I'm Chris Bennett, your blockchain beard guy.